Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to solve your Cash App wouldn't let you request your money. So let's get started. So here are the 5 reasons that's why the Cash App didn't let you request the money. So first you will see. So first you have to update the Cash App version to the latest. Okay. Second step, you can just clear your cache memory from your Cash App info. Third thing you can do, like you can just go and get it updated. And fourth is you can contact the customer support. So by this way you can do it. It's easy way too. So this is how to fix Cash App wouldn't let you request money 2024. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. And you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. Thank you for watching.